Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to be doing a general overview, specifications list and unboxing of the Ring Video Doorbell 2. As many of you know, I do have a lot of smart home tech already in my house, so this seemed like the most logical move on what to purchase next. It was on a Amazon Prime Day deal, so that's kind of what pushed me into finally purchasing one of these. So as I touched upon, this is the Ring Video Doorbell 2. There is 4 other variants of the doorbell that they do, which I will go across later and explain the differences between each one. But for my needs, this was the best one, and I will say later why this one was the best one for myself. So first things first, let's do the unboxing. So as you can see, this is just the front of the box, gives you a demonstration of what it would look like on your phone and also a picture of the doorbell itself. It does come in 2 colours, so I believe you get both faceplates with this. Yes, it does actually say on the box it includes the 2 faceplates. So you get the silver colour and then you get this dark grey black sort of colour, which is the option that I'm probably going to go for myself. On the side of the box, I'll turn it that way, it just explains that this one is a battery powered version of it. That was one of the reasons why I went for this one. Top of the box just says about Ring, side of the box about their story, and the bottom of the box what it includes. The reason this is over, it's got a serial number there, so I just put a bit of black tape to save me editing out. So the specifications, this one runs off of Wi-Fi. It does run off of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you've got a network which has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, it will only work with the 2.4 gigahertz. So if you do have any problems setting it up, that might be the reason. So just check which connection you're connecting to. It does full HD video, 160 degree angle to cover all areas. It works in temperatures from -20 to 48 degrees Celsius. It runs off a lithium battery, and it comes with an 8 to 24 vac doorbell transformer. So first things first, let's pull this tab. That didn't work very well. Bear with me, just get something to open that. So, that didn't go too well. So you just slide it up. Oh, there's another pull tab here. Okay, just slide it out. And you're presented with this. One thing I would mention, Ring, I believe, has just been bought out by Amazon. So it is Amazon that actually run this organisation. That was one of the little sub-companies that they have. I might be wrong with that, but I'm pretty sure I read it, that Amazon have purchased Ring. So it does go to show that they are a good quality brand if you've got another big brand such as Amazon coming in to try and purchase. So as you can see down here, got a little pull tab, just pull that up. And there you go, you're greeted with the doorbell itself. Say hello to Ring, so let's pop that to one side a minute. You've got the doorbell itself. Very lightweight, but there's no battery in it as of yet. So you can see this got the silver faceplate on it. So just put that down to one side. You've got installation tools. So this is going to include screws for the faceplate and to attach it to the wall itself, I would have thought. A bracket. So paintable, so you can paint this to match whatever exterior colour you have on your property, so it can blend in quite well. So yeah, that's just a back plate. You've got some more screws, some mounting screws and anchors. Another mountable plate, so this one is actually an angled plate, so if you were to have it on your house and you wanted it to face this way, you can have it on an angle. They do include quite a lot actually. So you've got, yeah, corner mount and a wedge mount. So that's what these 2 in the back are. And it gives you how to attach to those. A micro USB cable to charge the battery itself. The black finish faceplate, which is the one that I'm probably going to opt for. So I'm assuming you just pop this off, put this one on. Some more screws, and finally the battery. So what I'll touch upon first Actually, what I'll do is I'll get everything out the way a second and just leave the doorbell by itself. So, doorbell. So what I will say first, the battery. First thing on everyone's mind, how long does the battery last? So the battery, according to their website, lasts between 6 to 12 months on a single charge. So what I'll probably do is buy a secondary battery, just so I've always got a battery to hand and ready to go. This one, as I said, comes with two face plates. You've got the silver and you've got the black. The cost for this specific one, as I say, it was on a Prime Day deal, so it came to £120, I believe. Something to bear in mind, with this and all the Ring products, you do get the live view, you do get your notifications, and you do get your two-way talk to whoever is at the door free. You don't have to pay any extra for that. If you want to store video that is captured, you will have to pay a monthly fee. It is free for the first 30 days, but any video captured after that, it is a £2.50 monthly fee. So that is something to bear in mind, because it is in the small print. Luckily, I already knew about this, so it was no surprise when I purchased this. But a lot of complaints I have seen of reviews and things online is that people have bought this, they did not realise that they had to pay a monthly subscription fee, and now they've ended up paying a monthly subscription fee to store the data. So, like I said, something to bear in mind. What I also said at the start of the video is there's 4 different variants of this. So this is the Video Doorbell 2. What this has over the Video Doorbell, the original one is a lot cheaper, but this one does 1080p HD video. The other one is just 720p. And that is generally the difference between the two. You're paying for that upgraded camera. I believe that you probably should go upgraded camera over the cheaper version, because if you are using this for security type camera as well, you're going to want higher quality to see who is at your house. Basically, if you have anything unfortunate happen to your house because of someone coming and breaking in, having a burglary or something like that, I feel you need the clearest picture that you can have to obviously find out who done it. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but it's a good feature to have. It does have infrared and night vision as well, so it doesn't just work in the daytime. You do get alerts sent straight to your phone, so you can set up motion sensors. This has motion sensors built in, but you can select up to 5 customizable zones and sensitivity scales for when it triggers a notification. So if someone comes to your door, without even pressing the doorbell, you will get a notification straight to your phone to say that someone is at your front door. You can also link this to devices like the Echo devices. You can link it to your iPad, you can link it to your computer, you can link it to your Mac. There's an app for that for every different system. That, like I said, it runs off of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That's 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi. It has 160 degree horizontal and 90 degree vertical view. It works in all different weathers. There's a version of this which is hardwired, so that's the next version up. So the next version up, just so you've got a comparison of different features that you get, it has customizable motion zones, so you can map out exactly where you want it to pick up motion detection. With this one, unfortunately, it's got the 5 presets, and that's it. You can pick between those 5, and that's about it. The only thing you can do on this one is select the motion sensitivity, and that's the only motion detection that you can do on this one. Whereas the next one up, so the Ring Video Doorbell Elite, you can do different detection zones. It also runs off of 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so you'll probably find that it has less dropouts. And also this one, the Elite one and the Pro, they run off of mains power, so they don't run off the battery, they don't rely on a battery. So that is another advantage. The reason I went for this one actually was because it was batteried, because I don't actually have electric going straight to the front door. So the Elite one runs off of PoE, which is power over Ethernet. So I didn't really want to run an Ethernet cable to my front door. And the Pro version runs off of just normal mains power. Again, I didn't want to feed electric to the front door. If it's not already there, I didn't really want to go through the hassle of feeding it straight through. So another question that I've seen online is what happens if it gets stolen. Obviously, it is only screwed to the wall. It runs off of a battery. If it gets stolen, what happens? So Ring actually will replace the doorbell free of charge if it does get stolen. That's probably part of why it costs that little bit extra, because you are paying for that service just in case it does happen. I mean, it's very unlikely someone's going to suspect something if they see someone coming up to your door and taking your doorbell off. But you are covered if it does get stolen for any reason. So the battery, how does that get charged? So this is the battery. So it's just got a normal micro USB on the bottom. So you just plug this cable in, plug it in there, plug the other end into just your normal everyday smartphone or tablet plug, which has got a USB socket on it. It is unfortunate that it's not USB-C, because if it was USB-C, it would charge that a little bit quicker. In all honesty, I'm not too sure how long it takes for the system to charge, but I'd imagine it takes a little while if it lasts 6 to 12 months on a single charge. So yeah, that generally is the overview and the specs of the Ring Video Doorbell. If you want to see an installation video, then comment below. If you want to see any other video, then comment below. One thing I will note, actually, that I've just remembered, is you will notice that there's no chimes. So what happens is it sends the notification straight to your phone and you answer it in that way. If you want a more traditional chime, you can purchase this. I believe they're about £29, something like that, £29, £39. So they are quite expensive. But one thing to note, if you do have a Amazon Echo device, from my understanding, you can download the app and you can use the Echo devices as your chimes. So that is something that I'm going to look at, because we have an Amazon Echo on each floor of the house. I live in a 3-story building. We've got one on each level. So hopefully that works well. I will do a video about it and how to set all that up at a later date. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was quite brief, but it is just a doorbell at the end of the day, so you can only go so far with it. If you like this video, then please give me a like rating and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.